Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello Soleh Soleha, and how are you today? Alhamdulillah, excellent, great, amazing, Allahu Akbar. Okay, because today we cannot meet on Zoom, now I will give you assignment, and in this video I will give you explanation how to do your assignment. Okay, actually today you will do a worksheet. But before I explain about your worksheet, I will explain first about object pronouns, because your worksheet today is talking about object pronouns. So I will explain first what is object pronouns. So actually in object pronouns is about kata ganti milik orang atau barang. So object pronouns using to replace people or things in the sentence. Jadi objek pronoun itu adalah kata ganti yang digunakan untuk menggantikan subjek. Subjeknya bisa berupa orang atau benda dalam sebuah kalimat. Nah, objek pronouns di sini bisa berfungsi sebagai objek. Jadi dia subjek yang berubah menjadi object pronouns. For example, I can give you example. This is subject. You know, all know this is subject. I, you, they, we, she, he, and it. This is a subject. So all of the seven word is subject. And what is subject again? Yeah, subject is people do activities. So subject is an actor. So this is subject. There are 7 subjects in English. And now I will explain the object pronouns from all of the subject. So because there are 7 subjects, so there are 7 object pronouns too. So object pronouns from I is me. And object pronouns from you is you. And object pronouns from he is him. And object pronouns from she is her. And object pronouns in it is it too. And object pronouns from they is them. Okay, I will explain to you from the sentence. How about when the object in sentence? Okay, I give you example. Okay, I will make a sentence here. My mom give me money. Okay, can you see here? There is a word me here. Me here is as a object pronouns, and me here replace I. Jadi me di sini digunakan untuk menggantikan posisi subjek I. I di sini adalah saya. Me juga artinya adalah saya, yang berarti ibuku memberikanku uang. Nah, kalau tidak, jadi ketika ingin membuat kalimat memberikanku, kita tidak bisa mengatakan my mom give I money. Because I is subject, dan subjek posisinya selalu di depan. When you want to say an object, position after verb. Jadi posisi objek selalu setelah verb. Jadi ketika kalian ingin mengatakan my mom give me money, ibuku memberi uang, kita tidak bisa mengatakan my mom give I money, because I is subject and subject position is in front of the sentence, not after the verb. Okay, I will give you other example. How about this? I make cake. Okay, this is, you can see cake here as a object. Cake di sini sebagai objek. Objek di sini sebagai kue di sini sebagai objek thing atau benda. Nah, when I want to replace cake, the object pronouns I using I, make it. I make it. When I say I make it, it refers to a cake, because cake is a thing. And remember, it is subject using to explain about thing. bisa menggambarkan benda, baik itu benda hidup maupun benda mati. And cake is a thing. That's why we using it in object, because you cannot say I make a cake, and when you want to use replace cake the object pronouns, you using it. I making it. I make it. I make it. Okay, I give you other example again. I study English tonight. When I want to replace English, the object pronouns, I using I studied tonight. Okay, this is simple. And I give you other example. My brother give my friends give the girl a flower. When I want to replace a girl with object pronouns, I using my brother give her a flower, because a girl is a she, and she then an object pronouns from she is her. That's why when you want to replace the girl using object pronouns, you using her. Okay, like others, I will give you others. I give using name. I give Tim a book. I give Tim a book because Tim here is a man, so I give him a book, because object pronouns from he is him. Okay, I think that's all about subject and two object pronouns. Okay, let's see your worksheet, and I will explain about your worksheet. So this is your worksheet. So look at this worksheet for number 1. Read and circle. So you should choose here about the object pronoun that I have been explained before. Number 1, let's see. Please help Bob. Help here is object, and you should replace this object object pronouns, and object pronouns from Bob, because Bob is he, is him. So don't put he again in here, because he is a subject, and he position of the subject is in front of the sentence, no after the verb. Jadi diingat, posisi subjek itu adalah di depan kalimat, bukan setelah kata kerja. Jadi yang kita letakkan setelah kata kerja adalah objek, and you want to replace Bob, kita mau menggantikan kata Bob ini, nama orang ini, dengan object pronoun. Nah, cara menggantinya adalah dilihat Bob is a man or a girl, because Bob is a man. So, when you want to replace Bob, the object pronouns you using him. Karena object pronoun dari he adalah him. Jadi bukan lagi he, because he is subject. Okay, let's move to number 2. Please show the photo to Jenna. And Jenna, who is Jenna, girl or man? Okay, remember, she or her. And after that, please write Ruby and me an email. Okay, Ruby and me. Because Ruby and me is a 2 person, that's why, karena Ruby dan me, Ruby and I, Ruby dan tokoh dan aktor me, dan pelaku me itu adalah 2 orang. Nah, kalau 2 orang sudah lebih dari 1, berarti dia adalah we. And what the object pronouns from we is, okay, look at this, because this is an object, this is a subject, so this is an object. Okay, tell the story to Frank and Amy. Okay, let's see, they or them. Okay, buy a new dress for Mia. Okay, Mia is a girl, so he, her, or she. Please give the pen to Jack. Okay, Jack. Who is Jack? The girl or the man? Okay, so you should replace the word, the underlined word in number 1 by object pronouns in behind this. Oke, jadi kalian harus menggantikan nama orang atau nama pelaku yang ada di kalimat sebelah kiri dengan objek pronoun yang ada di sebelah kanan. Okay, I think that's all for number 1. Let's move for number 2. Okay, number 2 is about change the sentences. So you should change. Kalian harus mengubah. Okay, let's see the example. The example here, don't tell Hannah. Okay, because Hannah is a girl. Once again, so girl, object pronoun from girl is her. Because the subject is she and object pronoun from she is her. So you should replace the subject, the object here that using name by object pronoun. So don't tell her. Her is Hannah. Okay, how about this? Don't show the letter to Joel and Frank. So the object here is Joel and Frank. So you should replace Joel and Frank the object pronouns. So what the object pronoun from Joel and Frank? You can use they or you can use we. Oh no, because this is not me, so you should use they. So what the object pronoun from they? Okay, number 3, don't give any money to Ryan. Ryan, okay. Look again. What the object pronoun from Ryan? Ryan is a he, is a man. So man is he, and what the object pronoun from he? Okay, write down here. After that, don't take the apples. Okay, apples. What is it? Please don't shout at Bella and me. Okay, Bella and me. There is word me. Me, it's mean I. That's why when you ketika kita berbicara tentang saya dan kamu, it means we. Itu berarti adalah kita. Okay, and number 6, the last, don't give any bananas to Ella. Ella, who is Ella, girl or man? Okay, and replace this. Okay, I think that's all for your assignment today. I hope you enjoy this video and I hope this video can help you to understand about your assignment today. If you have a question, please tell me and always collect your assignment as fast as you can. Okay, thank you very much for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.